Hey guys, Pan back here. So in this video I'm gonna show you if you have any problems that your display in your Honda CRV right here, 2017 and up. So this one is a LEXL. So if you have this right here, navigation, and sometimes it will flicker because of the cables. I don't know, like the circuit inside that the electrical circuit that will actually make it flicker while you're driving, because I have this problem. So if you bring it to the dealer, what they do is they're gonna reset this display, and it has how to do that. So you go to settings, you go to system right here, and then you want to scroll all the way down right here on this all menu, and it's gonna have a factory data resets. So what it does is that it will put everything back to normal. So all the system, for example, your channels, like your radio channel, everything like AirPlay and so on, that is connected to this. So it will erase everything to so it will be deleted, and it will reset that to default, and that's gonna probably solve this. But if it doesn't solve like the flickering problem, like it randomly flickers while you're driving and while you're not touching the screen, that means you need to take it back and tell them that you already did this reset, but the problems happens again, and they might have another issue, like another solutions for you. Probably take a look at the electrical circuit inside more seriously than having to reset this. This is just the first thing that they do, and I want to point out, like if you have this problem, it might also be connected to your right here. So you have these two right here, these two displays, like this two USB port. So one that connects to one of them connects to the AirPlay. So if you have like iPhone, you're gonna be able to like do navigation on this display, and also like play music directly from YouTube, or like your phone directly to the speaker system of your car, Honda CRV. And the other one is just regular USB. And my thing is that the wiring here might cause some thing to happen inside right here, to actually the display will like flicker and will actually reset, stop working by itself. So mine was like, it stopped working, and then after a while it freeze while I was playing music, or yeah. And sometimes I don't play music and just flickers. In my previous video, I'm gonna make a link right here to this video that flickers, that shows the problem. And so that's how you do, is that you will reset everything back to normal. So this will restore the system settings such as brightness, volume to the default value. All personal data will also be cleared. Please see your owner's manual for more details. Would you like to continue? Then if you hit yes, it will reset everything back to normal, to the default, factory default. And so it might solve your problem of flickering. But if it's still still have this problem, it still persists, you might want to bring it back and tell them that you already restored this, and they might take a look at a deeper problem within your electrical circuits or anything like that. And yeah, that's how you do it. So for me, that's how they did it when I brought it to the dealership, Honda dealership. And the problem happens again, and I didn't go back because it doesn't happen that often. But there's some problem with the software, so I think they should update it. I don't know if they updated. There's a way to update this firmware, because there's always bugs with with software. So usually on your phone you always update, right, to a new version of iOS, or a new version of Android, or new version of your app. But there's no way to update it to another version, unless if you know how, please drop in comments below. I would love to read it and find out more about it and share with everyone that has this problem. And yeah, I like to have these two cable right here, you know, connected to my phone, because you can do data navigation here. So I'm gonna press no because I already reset it. I don't want to reset again and have to like put all my radio FM channels on this again, and it's gonna, you know, clear all my files to, like, you know, pairing phone, so you can have Bluetooth pairing, so it will recognize your phone. If you do that, the reset, it will, you have to reset everything, like you have to you know, start everything over, and the computer will erase all data that you already customized in this display, in this navigation system. And so yeah, so if you guys have this problem about the flickering on the screen here, please give a like and subscribe if you find this helpful, and I see you guys on next video. Please leave a comment if it is solved for you, or if it doesn't solve, and how you go about solving this, so everyone can you know, use this video and comments and your comments to fix the issue. And thank you guys for watching, please leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.